Frase Enterprise Content Marketing Hub App. The pros, the cons. Frase Enterprise Content Marketing Hub app is designed to help marketing teams streamline content creation and optimize for search engines, but does it live up to the hype for large enterprises? On the positive side, Frase excels at content research, generation, and optimization. Teams can analyze top-ranking articles for specific keywords, identify content gaps, and generate outlines or drafts to accelerate the writing process. Its SEO recommendations and SERP analysis help ensure that content aligns with search intent, boosting organic visibility. Collaboration tools allow multiple team members to work simultaneously, which is ideal for enterprise-level content operations. Many users report significant time savings and improved content relevance. However, there are some drawbacks. Frase relies heavily on generated content, which may require careful review to maintain brand voice and accuracy. For larger organizations, integrating Frase with existing KIMs or workflow tools may require additional setup. Pricing for enterprise-level features can also be substantial, which could be a consideration for budgeting teams. Most people get this wrong. They assume I alone will produce perfect content. The surprising truth is that Frase is most effective when paired with a human editor and a strong content strategy. Accelerates research and drafts, but quality control is essential to maintain brand consistency and factual accuracy. In conclusion, Frase Enterprise Content Marketing Hub app is a valuable tool for enterprises looking to scale content production, optimize research, and streamline research workflows. Its strengths lie in automation, SEO insights, and team collaboration. To maximize value, enterprises should combine Frase's capabilities with editorial oversight and a structured content plan. When used strategically, Frase can significantly improve efficiency, enhance search performance, and support a robust enterprise content strategy.